you? Hey, we're back with another RS tutorial straight up out of the RS Bible. Let's go. Boom. So what are we making today? We're making 3D, well, not holographic, but just 3D suspended soaps. I don't even know how to explain them. It's just, they're amazing. And then it's like, the process is really, really easy. I promise you. Boom. So, starting off, what will you need? You'll need your melt and pour soaps. So, I'm using my TKB trading branded crystal clear soap, as well as my shea butter soap base. Because you want one, you don't necessarily have to have like one white, one clear. I just prefer to use one white and one clear because I use my white one for my small soap that's going in the middle because it shows better inside of the clear. But boom, so there's that. You need your soap molds. I'm making hearts, so it'll be these little doodads inside of these big old hearts. Boom. As far as my colors I'm doing today, I'm doing purple and I'm doing blue. So with that being said, I'm using my African Fantasy scent as well as my Lick Me All Over scent. And also I have my spray bottle of alcohol because you need that to get rid of the bubbles that'll be in there, just because that'll help with the 3D effect. So let's go ahead and get into this.